CloudShark is able to decrypt TLS traffic within capture files, allowing you to troubleshoot and analyze encrypted application layer data. You can decrypt traffic using a client keylog file or if you have the appropriate RSA key. In this capture, all HTTP traffic is encrypted using TLS, which can be verified by opening the HTTP analysis tool. No HTTP requests are displayed since they are all encrypted. To decrypt this traffic, open the Profile Editor and select the Decryption tab. Client keylog data can be pasted into CloudShark and used for TLS decryption. The Upload API method also supports uploading a keylog file when a capture file is uploaded. One or more RSA keys can also be dragged from the box of available keys to the Active RSA Keys box. Once a valid decryption setting has been configured and applied, the TLS traffic will be automatically decrypted and visible in the decode window. The Follow TLS Analysis Tool menu option will be active for captures that have TLS decryption rules applied. This tool displays the familiar follow stream view for decrypted TLS streams. Now that the TLS traffic has been decrypted, the HTTP analysis tool will display the HTTP traffic in the capture. Encrypted HTTP objects can be viewed and downloaded using the HTTP Objects Analysis tool. CloudShark offers the powerful capability to decrypt TLS traffic within capture files. This decryption process equips users with the ability to troubleshoot and dissect encrypted application layer traffic. As more and more traffic is encrypted with TLS, this feature will become an essential tool in the toolkit.